Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are trying the Wavytalk Blowout Boost Iconic Thermal Brush. If you love easy hair tools that make styling quicker, this video is for you. You have probably seen this all over TikTok and YouTube. The Wavytalk Blowout Boost Iconic Thermal Brush that promises a salon blowout in minutes. But here is the question, is it actually a game changer or just another viral hair tool that looks good online? Today I am putting it to the test on my own hair to see if it can really give the bouncy salon-style blowout without a hair dryer, without a round brush, and without spending an hour styling. And trust me, the results surprised me. First impressions. The brush barrel is designed to distribute the heat evenly. It has ionic technology to reduce frizz and add shine. The bristles help grip the hair while styling. It has multiple heat settings, so it can work on different hair types. Actually pretty lightweight. Some styling tools feel bulky or awkward, but this one feels easy to hold, especially if you're styling your hair yourself. The size of the barrel, it's about 38 millimeters, which is ideal for creating loose volume and bends rather than tight curls. These bristles, they are designed to grip your hair without tangling, which is really important with a heated brush, because the last thing anyone wants is to get the hair stuck in a hot tool. So first let's talk about what this actually is. It's not a hair dryer brush like those hot air stylers. It's actually a heated round brush. It does not blow air. You use it on your dry hair only, and it works more like a mix between a curling iron and a round brush. I started with complete dry hair. That's really important because this brush is not meant for wet hair. First, I divided my hair into two sections. Then I wrapped a small section of hair around the brush and slowly rotated it while pulling downward. The technique is basically the same thing as using a round brush when you blow dry your hair. The difference is that the heat is already in the brush. After holding it for a few seconds, I gently rolled the brush out, and instantly I noticed something interesting. Instead of a curl, it created this soft, bouncy bend, exactly like the ends you get after a professional blowout. And honestly, that's where this tool really shines. After finishing my entire head, here is what I noticed. Firstly, my hair definitely looked smoother. There was less frizz, and ends had that polished shape instead of looking flat. It added movement, not dramatic curls, but the soft, effortless bounce that makes hair look styled without looking overdone. And the third, it was fast. Once I got the hang of it, each section only took about 10 seconds, which means the entire style took me less than 10 minutes. And that's a huge win compared to traditional blow drying. There are a few things you should know before buying it. Number one, this tool gives major root volume. It takes a little practice. The first time I used it, my sections were too big and the results weren't as good. But once you learn the technique, it becomes really easy. That smooth, bouncy finish in just a few minutes, it definitely gets the job done. If you want that salon vibes without salon prices, this is definitely worth trying. Delivers solid volume and smoothens without a complicated routine. If you want that salon vibes without the prices, this is definitely worth trying. This is perfect for medium to long hair, anyone who is struggling with round brushing, people who want quick everyday blowouts, for fine or flat hair that needs volume. So if you have that super thick or very curly hair, you may need to pre-dry more before using it. What I really like about it is cuts the styling time, easy to use, great for beginners, adds noticeable volume, smooths the frizz very well, gives that salon style finish. Is the viral Wavytalk Blowout boost actually worth it? Honestly, for the price, it's pretty solid styling tool. Now I am curious, would you try this viral brush? Or do you think it's just another TikTok trend?